Dear friends, we will see in this video how to use log table from basic to advanced. Firstly, we will see rules of logarithm. Product rule. Log xy equal to log x plus log y. Here multiplication by use of log become plus. Question rule. Log x upon y equal to log x minus log y. Here division by use of log become minus. Power rule. Log x raised to p equal to p log x. So these three rules are very important. Remember, multiplication in log will become plus, division will become minus. Now rule number 2, common logarithm or logarithm to the base 10. So whenever we are using log, it will be to the base 10. Thirdly, in logarithm we can have maximum 4 digit. It means the log table will read only 4 digit. For example, 12.34. Suppose if we have numbers more than 4 digit, then we have to reduce to 4 digit. For example, 12.3484. Here we are having 6 digit. Now if you see the first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth, fifth and sixth digit, let's see the sixth digit. Here the number is 4. Now 4 is less than 5, so we can directly neglect it. But if you see the fifth digit, it is 8. This number is greater than 5. So the number before the 8 digit, this 8, this is 4. So here we have to add plus 1, that is 12.34, it will become 12.35. So you can say in lower class you have studied rounding up to 4 digit number. So that concept you have to use. Now fourth rule, log of any number is equal to characteristic dot mantissa. Dot means decimal. So before the decimal we have characteristic, after the decimal we have mantissa. Now let us how to find characteristic. Characteristic is a part before decimal. Now we will be having two rules for finding the characteristic. Rule number 1 for a number greater than 1. Rule number 2 for a number less than 1. Let us study the rule number 1 first. Now if you see these 4 examples, these are all the numbers in the log which are numbers greater than 1. Let us understand the first example, 12.34. Before the decimal we have two digits, 1 and 2, that is two numbers are there. So we will take this 2 minus 1 as per the rule for characteristic. Number of digits before the decimal minus 1. So number of digits before decimal. So this is the decimal, there are two digits are there, so 2 minus 1 as per the rule, that is going to give me 1. So this will become the characteristic. Again let's see the second example, log 1.234. So before the decimal we have one number, so we'll have 1 minus 1 equal to 0. In the third example we have log 123.4, that is before the decimal we have three numbers, so 3 minus 1 equal to 2. This is the characteristic 2. And in the fourth example the number is 1234, we don't have the decimal, so let us suppose the decimal is after 0.4, after the number 4. So we have 4 numbers before the decimal. Now here since the numbers are 4 before the decimal, we will consider 4 minus 1, that is 3. So these all which is shown in the red color are the characteristic for the number greater than 1. So this is rule number 1. Now let us consider the Now rule number 2, for a number less than 1. In the less than 1, what we will find in the log, you see the example, all the numbers are from 0 point, 0 point, 0 point, 0 point. Now let us consider first example, 0.01234. Now after the decimal you have 1 0. Now what does the rule says? Number of zeros after decimal plus 1. So here after the decimal immediately we have 1 0. So this 1 we will write plus, as per the rule, n1, that is 1 plus 1 2, and we will write 2 bar. Actually it is minus 2. Now again here in the second example, log 0.00012334. So immediately after the decimal we have 3 numbers, or sorry, 3 zeros. So we'll take 3 here plus, as per the rule, and plus 1, that is 4 bar. And here log, third example, log 0.1234. So here immediately after decimal we don't have any zero, so no zeros is there. So we'll take directly 0 plus 1, that is 1 bar. And in the fourth example we see after decimal we have 2 zeros, then we have 1 2 3, and again 3 more zeros. Now we want the 0 after decimal immediately, that is only these 2 zeros will be considered. We are not going to consider the remaining 3 zeros, that is these 2 zeros plus, as per rule, we are going to add 1, that is 3 bar. So these are the characteristic for the rule number 2, and these are the characteristic of rule number 1. How to find mantissa? Mantissa is a part after decimal. To study mantissa, first we will have to understand the log table. This log table is divided into 3 parts. First part, this part. If you see this part, this is called the main part. Here the first 2 digits will be studied. Then this is the second part, 0 to 9. This is called the difference table. And then lastly we have 1 to 9, and this is called the mean difference. So again to repeat, this is the main table, this is the difference table, and lastly this is the main difference table. Now let's have a illustration. 1 2 3 4. This is the 4-digit number we have considered, because we know we can study or we can read only 4-digit number in logarithm. Now this 12 we'll write first, and then 3 we'll write here, and this 4 we will write here. Now this 12 will be considered in the main. So if you see the main, here is the 12. Let us mark this 12 with a box, and let us concentrate on this red box. This red box you can have. Now further, if you see after 12 we have 3. So if you see this 12 and here is your 3, and if you see the corresponding number comes 0899. So for 3 we are having 0899. And if you further, if you go to see the last mean difference table, the 4, so it is going to give me 14. So if you see for this 12 you have to see in the main table the third digit 3, we have to see the difference table. For this we have got the answer, and the 4th digit we have to see the mean difference table. Now difference table plus the mean difference table, if you add, you will be getting 0913, and this is nothing but your mantissa part. So again to repeat, we have to study in the log table only 4 digits. The first 2 digits you have to see in the main table, the third digit you have to see in the difference table, and the 4th digit you have to see in the mean difference table. And the difference table answer what you get, and the mean difference answer what you get, you have to add them. You add them, and after the addition what you get, 0913. This is your mantissa part. Now let's start with illustration number 1. simple example we have taken log n. Here we are having 4 examples, 1, 2, 3, 4. Carefully understand each example. Here example is log 123.4. So before decimal you are having 3 digits, 3 numbers. So naturally this is an example of number greater than 1. That is rule number 1 will apply. So your 3 numbers are there, we'll take it 3 minus 1 equal to 2. The characteristic is 2. Again in the second example, if you see 0.001234, this is a number less than 1. So this will apply rule number 2. And you see after decimal immediately we are having 2 zeros. That is 2 plus 1 equal to 3 bar. If you see the third example, log 1.234, before the decimal we have only one number. So rule number 1 will apply here. So 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 is the characteristic. And rule number 4, 0.1234. So again here is the example of rule number 2, that is number less than 1. So immediately after decimal you don't have any 0. So 0 plus 1, this will become 1 bar. So this was regarding the characteristic part which you have already studied. Again if you see this 4 example, we have taken one common numbers 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So here the mantissa part will be same and we already have studied it, that is 0913. So mantissa is 0913, mantissa is 0913, mantissa is 0913, mantissa is 0913. So now what is log n? Log n is nothing but what? Log n is equal to characteristic dot mantissa, that is characteristic decimal mantissa. So the characteristic is 2 dot mantissa 0913. Characteristic is 3 bar dot mantissa 0913. Right. Characteristic is 0 dot mantissa is 0913. Characteristic is 1 bar dot mantissa is 0913. So to repeat again, we first need to find out the characteristic, and secondly we find out the mantissa and take the characteristic decimal mantissa, characteristic decimal mantissa, characteristic decimal mantissa, characteristic decimal mantissa. Let us understand one more example. Log 5.867. We first see there are 4 digit number. Now here we will see the first 2 digit, that is 58. Forget about the decimal. And we will be seeing in the main, that is 58. Make the table here. Mark it with a red box. So we will be concentrating on this box. Secondly we have 6. If you see the 6 here, so 6 is coming here, that is 7679. And finally the last digit 7 is here, that is in the mean difference. So 58 will be seen in the main table, 6 will be seen in the difference table, and 7 will be seen in the mean difference table. Now forget it. First we will see the characteristic of this 4 example. First we will see the characteristic of this 4 example. 5.867. Now your 5 point, that is the number is greater than 1. Rule number 1 will apply. That is before the decimal we have one number. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. The characteristic is 0. Again in the second example 0.005867. Again this is less than 0. So rule number 2 will apply, and immediately after the decimal we have 2 zeros. So we'll take 2 plus 1, that is 3 bar. So characteristic is 3 bar. Let us take the third example, 58.6. So before decimal we have 2 numbers, that is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So rule number 1 we have used. And the fourth example, 5.8. Here the number is greater than 1, rule number 1 will apply, and here again we can say before decimal we have one number. So 1 minus 1, 0. So this was regarding the characteristic part. Now let us study the mantissa part. The mantissa part is very important. Here if it is 4 digit number, normal way 58, 6, and then the last one is 7, we will see in the mean difference. Now dear students, if you see the second example also, same way we will see 5, 8, 6, 7. So here was 7, 6, 7, 9 plus 5. So this was mantissa in first example, and this was the mantissa. So first and second example, the mantissa is coming same. Now see the third example, 58.6. Here there is one number is missing. We don't have 4 digit, we have only 3 digit. So we will be seeing only 58 in the main table and 6 in the difference table. But we will be not seeing at all in the mean difference table. That means you have to see only 58 and in the difference table 7, 6, 7, 9. So no addition of mean difference. Now see the fourth example, 5.8. Here again we having only 2 digits. So we will be seeing 58 in the main table, but we don't have the third digit. So we'll be not seeing in the difference table. We don't have the fourth digit, so we'll be not seeing in the main difference table. So 58 and there's nothing is then consider it this as part as a 0. So we'll be seeing 58 and 0. So 7, 6, 3, 4. 7, 6. So now this is your mantissa and this is your characteristic. Now log n is equal to nothing but what? Characteristic dot mantissa. So characteristic in this case is 0 dot mantissa. Characteristic is 3 bar dot mantissa. Characteristic is 1 dot mantissa. 7, 6, 7, 9. Characteristic is 0 dot mantissa is 7, 6, 3, 4. So this way we can write the log. This was all about log. Lecture 2 video will be of anti-log and some simple sum based on log.